Hello, princess and prince. I'm SAKI ISHIHARA. How's it going? Today, I will do Qigong in the mountains. Let me tell you all a little bit about how I get my power from nature. First, you will be barefoot. As you place your feet on the ground, take a deep breath. Stones, rocks, wind, rain, trees, all release energy. To receive them, you must think you are part of nature. Take a deep breath. Breathe as if you are them. Next, you get your point from nature. From this point on, I will teach you in my courses. The human body's natural healing power is amazing. Come back again. Bye bye.